Hey everyone, it's Jason from Russian with Jason, and today we're going to be continuing on learning Russian. So if you're new to the channel, what I like to propose is that you don't have to go about learning Russian alone. So we're going to continue where we left off the other day, and I'm here on LingQ.com. I'll put a link in the description below. And if you like these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. It motivates me to make more videos, and it also helps out the YouTube algorithm. But with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So here, if you haven't gone down here yet, we're currently on guided courses and beginner 1, and then you can find greetings and goodbyes. And then we're just going to go straight down to this means my name is, this Russian name here. So I'm going to hit play really quickly.
Привет!
And that's going to play. It's a little bit loud. And then I'm going to hit show synchronized text. This way, let's go all the way back. This way, the text will highlight as we're playing along. So let's go ahead and give this a listen to one more time. Like I said before in previous videos, I'm not going to be speaking any Russian. I try to avoid it so you can hear the native accent. Let's just give this one full listen and then we'll go through it slowly.
Привет! Меня зовут Костя. Извините. Повторите, пожалуйста. Это...
So it looks like this synchronized text is a little strange. It's not really matching with the audio. Let me refresh the page and maybe that'll help. Okay, here we are, and let's play again.
Привет! Меня зовут Костя. Извините. Повторите, пожалуйста. Это медленно. Привет! Меня зовут Костя. Меня зовут Алина. Приятно познакомиться. Вы говорите по-русски? Да, я говорю по-русски, но немножко. Вы очень хорошо говорите по-русски. Спасибо.
So as you see, there's something a little bit wrong with this lesson in particular. It looks as if the highlighted portions just aren't matching up with the audio, but that's okay. We can pretty much get it just by deciphering the conversation and looking for pauses and everything. But let's go through this one by one, and we'll just ignore the highlighted text then for now, and we'll just follow the sounds.
Привет.
So we've heard this a million times. It's hi. Okay, let's just keep going.
Меня зовут Костя.
My name is, and then they have this name here.
Извините.
So follow my mouse instead of the highlighted text. I know this is a little bit confusing. So what is this means sorry or excuse me, right?
Повторите, пожалуйста. Это медленно.
So I know this means please, I'm pretty sure. Okay. What does this mean? Repeat, please. And what's this whole phrase? Repeat it slowly, please. So what this must mean this is slowly. Repeat, please. Repeat that slowly, please, is my guess on what this whole thing means. But it's not really giving me repeat it slowly, please. Yeah, okay. So that's a better translation, I guess. Repeat that slowly, please, or repeat it slowly. Okay. So let's rewind a little bit.
Повторите, пожалуйста. Это медленно. Привет. Меня зовут Костя.
So as you can see, it looks like this is one person speaking, and then this is one person speaking, and then she's saying the same phrase again because this person is asking them to repeat it slowly. So they don't really give clear instruction as to who's speaking or anything, but that's okay. So, and as you can tell, this person is actually speaking more slowly the second time.
Меня зовут Алина.
And then you got this girl saying her name finally.
Приятно познакомиться.
I'm guessing this means nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, okay?
Вы говорите по-русски?
I'm pretty sure this is the same person. And then this is one person here. Do you speak Russian, right? Let's see if we can get a repeat on that.
Вы говорите по-русски?
So keep in mind that this is a conjugated verb, and this is the formal way of saying you, right? So these might be strangers or something. And this is just Russian. In Russian, Okay, but if you have this whole phrase translated, it's do you speak Russian?
Да, я говорю по-русски, но немножко.
Yes, I speak Russian. Maybe this means like, but very little? But a little, okay. But a little. So this must mean little, a little, okay. Let's see if we can listen to that again.
Говорю по-русски, но немножко. Да, я говорю по-русски, но немножко.
Okay, perfect. Let's keep going.
Вы очень хорошо говорите по-русски.
I'm guessing this just means you speak Russian very well. So let's break this down. Here's the formal you again. This is very, right? Very well. Very good, right? You speak, but in the formal way. And this is in Russian. So if you have a better translation, then it's you speak Russian very well. Or you very well speak in Russian. But the way we translate in English, of course, is you speak Russian very well.
Спасибо. Привет, меня зовут...
And then we have a thank you at the end. So to get more listening practice in, let's go ahead and go through this conversation one more time. So I'll go back to the beginning.
Привет, меня зовут Костя.
And let's follow my mouse and not the highlighted text.
Привет, меня зовут Костя. Извините. Повторите, пожалуйста. Это медленно. Привет. Меня зовут Костя. О, меня зовут Алина. Приятно познакомиться. Вы говорите по-русски? Да, я говорю по-русски, но немножко. Вы очень хорошо говорите по-русски. Спасибо.
Now to get more listening practice, let's just go through this one more time. But I'm going to be trying to translate here what these mean.
Привет.
So that means hi.
Меня зовут Костя.
My name's this girl here.
Извините. Повторите, пожалуйста. Это медленно.
Okay, this is sorry. Repeat. This is repeat, right? So this is a command. I'm not sure if it's conjugated another word, conjugated in another way if it means anything different, but this is how you conjugate it as a command. Maybe it's the same for just saying you repeat. Repeat, please. Repeat it slowly. Okay.
Привет. Меня зовут Костя.
So she's just saying the same thing, but more slowly.
О, меня зовут Алина. Приятно познакомиться.
Oh, my name's this. Nice to meet you. Okay.
Вы говорите по-русски?
Do you speak Russian?
Да, я говорю по-русски, но немножко.
Yeah. Or yes, I speak Russian, but a little.
Вы очень хорошо говорите по-русски.
Oh, you speak Russian very well.
Спасибо.
Okay, so that was a simple conversation, but I think we got it. And if you're new to this channel, what I always recommend is doing inspect. So you can just right click here on this blank space, hit inspect, hit Command F on your Mac or Control F on a Windows, and then you type in MP3, and you'll get this file here, and you can click on it, and then it should give you a download link, and this will give you the audio file for the conversation that we just went over. So I highly recommend putting this on your phone, really quickly, and that way you can walk around while listening to this and just keep it on repeat, and then you'll get used to the sound and the sentences. That's what I always do. Every time I go through a new lesson, I always want to make sure to put it on my phone. So I'm going to save this, and I will save it for later. I'll close this. Okay, and let's just go ahead and go through one more here, just for listening really quickly. So I'm going to go here. Okay, so mark this as complete. I don't want to go to the next lesson, but I'll go back here. And let's just go through the last lesson really quickly. It looks like it was this one. So we'll go here.
Извините меня.
Okay, perfect. So let's just play this and go for a review so we get more listening in.
Извините меня. Вы Дмитрий? Да, я Дмитрий. А вы Юля? Да. Приятно познакомиться.
We saw this in the last conversation. Nice to meet you.
Вы подруга моей сестры.
You're my sister's friend. Your friend, my sister, I think is the direct translation. You are my sister's friend, okay?
Да. Как ваша сестра?
Believe this is how is your sister? Good.
Она в порядке.
Don't remember this. She is all right. All right, I need to review this a little bit more then.
Спасибо. Передайте ей привет. Извините меня.
This is tell her hi, I believe. Now, the thing is, I can actually remember these phrases sometimes not just by reading them, but based on the context and the conversation. That's why I really like learning conversations and just breaking them down from there, because it gives you a lot of context as opposed to just learning sentences. I think that it's okay just to learn simple words or sentences at the beginning. You probably don't need too much context for how are you or hello, but it's always helpful. Now, if you finish this lesson, go ahead and, at least what I recommend anyways, is going through this line by line, listening once, pause it, and then write out the sentence. That'll help you retain the information a little bit better and the vocabulary. I plan to eventually add these to Anki cards, which I haven't done yet, but when I do, I'll put that in the link. I'll put a link in the description below. Anyways, that's all for today. Go ahead and go through this lesson on your own. Do a little bit of listening, do some passive listening while you're walking around, maybe cleaning your apartment. And if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. It motivates me to create more videos. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next lesson on day 6.